In this video, I'll show you how to buy crypto on Trust Wallet with a credit card. First, open the Trust Wallet app and tap Buy from the home screen, or search for the coin you want and tap Buy there. Trust Wallet's official support page says the mobile flow starts by selecting the asset, entering the amount, and then choosing a third-party provider and payment method, such as a credit card. Next, choose the crypto you want to purchase, enter the amount in your local currency, and review the available providers. Trust Wallet says fees are calculated in real time by its third-party fiat providers, and credit card purchases are usually faster, although fees may be higher depending on the provider and your region. After that, select credit card as your payment method if it's available in your country, then tap Continue and complete the on-screen verification and payment steps. Trust Wallet's official guide also notes that buy options can include credit cards, bank transfers, and partners like MoonPay, depending on where you are. Before you confirm, double-check the amount, fees, and the token you're buying. Once the payment is approved, the crypto is sent directly to your self-custody Trust Wallet, so it's important to make sure everything is correct before finishing the purchase. Trust Wallet says you remain in control of your assets because the wallet stores your private keys on your device. So the simple process is open Trust Wallet, tap Buy, choose your coin, enter the amount, pick a provider, select credit card, and confirm the purchase. After that, just wait for the crypto to arrive in your wallet. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.